So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of LG Dual Inverter AC in very detailed and simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you only want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees, do it. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button is light off. By pressing the light off button, the display of your AC will turn off but your AC will remain on. You can use this button only to turn off the light of the display of the AC. The next button is comfort air. This function is made for the swing of AC. If you are troubled due to the direct flow of AC or you do not want the flow of AC directly, then you can adjust the swing flap of AC manually, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, your swing flap will stop there, so that you will not have trouble with direct airflow. You can also see the direction of the swing in the remote. After that the next button is mode. There are 4 functions given in the mode button. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode in the remote. Now the mode is in cool. Now the mode is in auto. Now the mode is in monsoon. Now the mode is in fan. Now I will tell you the details of the mode in very simple words. In cool mode, all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool. And in cool mode the AC will cool according to your requirement. After that, if you press the mode button again, the auto mode will come. In auto mode your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to itself. If you feel that the cooling of the AC is less, then you can increase or decrease the cooling with the temperature up down button. After that the next mode is monsoon. You can use monsoon in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat, so using the AC in monsoon mode will remove that humidity goes. The next mode after that is fan. In fan mode, AC will not do cooling, only the fan of indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want cooling of AC and you just want to use the fan of AC, then you can use fan mode. After that the next button is fan speed. This is for the speed of the fan which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 6 speeds. Right now the fan speed is in auto. Right now the fan speed is in silent. Right now the fan speed is in low. Right now the fan speed is in medium. Right now the fan speed is in high. Right now the fan speed is in super high. You can control the speed of the fan according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then you can set the fan speed to super high. The next button after that is edge cool. Generally it happens that whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the edge cool button the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases a lot. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want cooling quickly, then you can use the edge cool button. In this the room cools very quickly. After that next button is 4-in-1. The 4-in-1 feature of LG air conditioner helps you in limiting the power consumption from 40% to 80%. On your AC remote, you can press the 4-in-1 energy feature button to switch between different energy levels. The next button is vertical swing. This button is for the front swing of the AC. It works in up and down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room. And wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, your swing flap will stop there. You can also see the direction in the remote. The next button is horizontal swing. This button is for the inside swing of the AC. It works from right to left. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room. And wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, your swing flap will stop there. You can also see the direction in the remote. The next button is room temperature. By pressing the room temperature button, whatever temperature is there in your room will be displayed on the remote. To see the room temperature, press this button. You can use The. To set the present time, you have to press the reset button of the remote. On pressing the reset button, the time in the remote started blinking. Now you can see that the present time in my mobile is 12:12 p.m. So, now I will set 12:12 p.m. using the up and down buttons of the timer of the remote. Now I have set the present time in the remote. Now I will press the set button again so that the present time will be set. By pressing the timer button, the timer on time started blinking. To turn on the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in timer on. Suppose I want my AC to turn on automatically at 10 p.m. So now I will set it to 10 p.m. using the up and down buttons of the timer on the remote. Now I have set the timer on time in the remote. Now press the set button so that the timer will be set on. After that, by pressing the timer button, the timer off time started blinking. To turn off the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in timer off. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically at 5 a.m. So now I will set it to 5 a.m. using the up and down buttons of the timer on the remote. Now I have set the timer off time in the remote. Now press the set button so that the timer will be set off. By pressing the timer button, you can also see the time of timer on and timer off. If you want to cancel the timer, you can cancel the timer by pressing the cancel button. The next button after that is sleep. By pressing the sleep button, the AC becomes silent and the use of sleep button is very good. For example, suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC at any point, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree and you will not have trouble sleeping due to excessive cold. You can also use timing in it. You can also set the timing from 1 hour to 7 hours, so that you can use sleep for how long. If you have understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to the channel.